Hello, future CAs. This one is for you if you still have the doubt, sir, whether I should write both or single group in the upcoming Jan 26 exams. And this doubt is coming for students because of one of these three questions. First one, sir, before the results came, no, sir, I already started preparing for the other group. I paid fees for classes, believing I will pass the exams because I wrote so well. I already started preparing before results, sir. Each subject, some 30-40% I finished. Now, what to do, sir? This is one. Second, because of all the motivational videos that you saw on YouTube immediately after results from all the faculties, including myself, and the motivation from your friends and family, you are super motivated now. You are motivated where full fire is there in your body. Hey, come da, vada de, pathakilanda, rara chuskundam. So you are having that mindset that now I will clear both. I am going to clear both. Sir, you also gave us free class and tests, sir. Class is so good. Easily I will clear both, sir. That one confidence is there in your head. And last one, the third case of students. You would have got in the range of 100, 110, 120, up to 149 so many times that you never touched 150. You are irritated and vexed of the same books, same account, same audit, same law, tax book. How many times I should see, sir? My handwriting only, I'm getting bored of it. So if you are in any of these three cases, you may be confused that I will write both groups or should I write the first group or second group? You may be a little confused. Let me give you clarity on the same, and at the end of this video, if you got the clarity that, sir, thank you, sir, I was a little confused, sir, but now I have the clarity, let me know in the comments. And if you still have doubts also, let me know in the comments. Very simple calculation, guys. Roughly we have 45 days productive days till exams. Sir, we have 50-55 days. No, 45 productive days. Leave alone the rainy days, flood days, cyclone, no current, no mood. 45 days, 10 hours per day. If you study, you have 450 hours per for the whole 2 months to study, correct? If you are studying one group, you will have 150 hours only per group. Lot of time, no, sir. But if you are studying both the groups, you have only 75 hours per subject. I have only 75 hours per subject. In simple terms, if you solve 20 internal reconstruction questions, 20 amalgamation sums by solving, and 20 consolidation sums, time will get over. Then when you will do AS, accounting standards for accounts, are you getting it, guys? So if you are doing both the groups, look at this, the time that you have is so less. Rather, what if I just focus on one group, give my everything to this one group in this 150 hours per subject in such a way that when I write the exam, I know I'm going to pass. I don't have to wait till results. After you write the exams in Jan, that Sankranti Pongal festival will come. That festival you should be like, I'm going to pass. I don't have to wait till results. That is how I was. When I wrote my CA Inter, I got that time 7 out of 7 exemptions. We had only 7 papers back then, 4 plus 3. And I knew I will get this when I wrote the exam itself. I didn't have to wait till results. I just had to wait to see if I'll get rank or not. That confident I was. Can you get that confidence if you write both the groups? Then proceed. No, sir, 50-50, sir. Again, I'm taking a risk. Hey, how many times you will take a risk in life? Study such a way that when I study this single group, whatever question paper and whatever pass percentage comes by, I say I'll clear. So study like that, giving your 150 hours life and soul for that group, this attempt, as if it is the last attempt in your life. See, imagine, guys, if I come and tell you after Jan you can't write CA itself, this is your last chance, how you will study? Study like that. And if you're someone who is writing, or you have to choose between two groups, and group one, whether you to write or not, you have a question, ask yourself, or I will tell you, you have the tax effect. In May 26, income tax new finance act will come, GST 2.0 may come, so lot of changes will come. Why do you want to study new things? You already know everything. So if you are deciding between both the groups and you're just little confused, better go for group 1 no. Because you can save yourself from learning new income tax and new GST and the same syllabus when you will get this chance. Are you getting it, guys? This is only if group 1 is a doubt for you. Okay. Lastly, some of you will ask me, sir, when should I write both the groups then, sir? There is one case. There is one case when you should write both the groups. If in September 25 exams, you already wrote both the groups and you did not clear only because of aggregate, meaning you passed all papers in both the groups, you got 40s and 50s, you lost only because of aggregate, or just one paper you got 37 38 but everything else is 40 plus, then go for both the groups in your Jan 26 exams. And I would like to end this video by saying there is a very popular quote which says there is always light at the end of the tunnel, but to see that light you have to get to the end of the tunnel. Maybe you already covered so much, it feels difficult. Yes, it is difficult. All you have to do is get through this part, and yes, it will be hard, guys, because only what's hard is worth it. I hope now you are clear. Let me come back to these two questions. Already started other group preparation. Leave the other group because one group you already know fully. The other group you only know partially. So finish the group what you already know before you take up the other group. That is first question answered. Second, you are super motivated now. But believe me, as time keeps going, the motivation will drop. So when that motivation drops, you will not study. Two groups if you take up, you will be blasted in your head. So better take up one group so you can manage it comfortably. And lastly, I know you're vexed so many times getting 120 to 149, and that's why I told this story that yes, you are vexed by getting till here. Just move on and get till here, finish this, see the light of this group, and then move on to the other one. And again, lastly, I'm telling you, sir, who should write both, sir? Only if I am a student who already wrote in September 25 both groups and lost by aggregate, then Jan 26 proceed to write both groups, and that's about it, guys. So I hope your question is answered regarding single or both groups, both for inter and final students. Any other doubts regarding this? If you have, please let me know in the comments, and I will answer it. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.